Hey chefs, Finn from meez here to talk about creating your recipes. Let's jump right into it. No matter what type of kitchen you're running, chances are you will be using what we call sub-recipes. Sub-recipes include items you are making in-house that you will later use in other plate recipes or menu items. The best and most efficient way to get your recipes into meez is by starting with your sub-recipes. Today I'm entering a recipe for everyone's favorite, pasta carbonara. Let's start with your sub-recipe, the pasta dough. First, you'll visit the Add New button at the top right corner of your homepage. Select Recipe from the drop-down, name your recipe. If you would like, you could add it to a recipe book from here, or you could choose to do so later. No matter where your recipes live, meez makes entering them as simple and painless as possible, using our Import Recipe button located in the middle of your recipe page. Once you click this, you'll notice two fields appear. The left side is for your ingredients, and the right side is for your prep method. I am taking one of my recipes that lives on a Google Doc and simply copy and pasting over to these fields. Once you copy and paste to both fields, you'll click Import, and you'll see your recipe populates in seconds. The next step is defining your recipe's yield. You can define your yield any way that makes sense to you, whether that be volume, weight, or by serving. Here I've chosen to define my yield by the serving because it's how I plan to use it in my recipes. Let's return home and create our plate recipe. Notice now that you have created your recipe, ingredients have populated inside of your account under your Ingredients tab. This number will continue to increase the more recipes you create. We will use the same process from earlier to enter our plate recipe. Add New, name the recipe, add to a recipe book if you would like, and create. We are also going to import our pasta carbonara recipe the same way we entered our dough recipe, using copy and paste. Now that we have a sub-recipe, pasta dough, we are able to use it just like an ingredient in our recipe. When you are looking at the drop-down of your ingredients, you may see a few different icons appear. The ticket icon means the item is a sub-recipe. The green apple icon means it is an ingredient you are currently using in your account and is a part of your ingredient list we looked at earlier. And lastly, the meez logo means it is a system ingredient that you are not currently using in your account. Once we hit done, you will notice that next to the pasta dough recipe there is a drop-down that allows you to preview the sub-recipe while you're inside of the main recipe. Since this is a plate recipe or menu item, we can define this yield as 1 serving. Now that your recipe is in, we can focus on how meez can enhance the training of your staff members. Adding pictures and videos to your recipes is very easy and extremely valuable when it comes to training. To do this, you will simply drag and drop any image files into the boxes. The first box will be your cover image, or a picture of the final dish. The smaller boxes will actually create a prep step slideshow where your cooks can view the images or videos while reading the procedural steps. After clicking done, you will be able to view your prep step slideshow just like this. I hope you're now feeling very confident entering your recipes into meez. If you do have any questions along this process, you can visit the question mark at the top right corner of your screen. Here you can send us a chat with any questions or search our help articles for tips and tricks. Good luck and have a great day.